Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the MSI Afterburner not working on CS2 and CSGO. Let's fix it guys. First you need to close the CS2 game and then you just need to open up Steam. Right click on the CS2 and select properties. You just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it in launch options, paste it. And after pasting it, click on outside and go to installed files. In here you just need to select browse, and now you will be get the CS2 file path guys. Now you just need to minimize it and just close it up here, and now go to search menu and type Rivatuner. Comes up Rivatuner statics server, click on open it. This application comes with MSI Afterburner. Now click on the system tray icon. The Rivatuner has been opened. You just need to double click on it. Select add. Now you just need to navigate to the file location of CS2 guys. In my case, program files x86, Steam apps, common. This PC program files x86, Steam apps, common. In here you need to go to CS2 guys, and you just need to navigate the location. In my case, I'm for example like going to clicker heroes. You just need to click on the cs2.exe file and select open. After adding the game, you just need to minimize it, and now you can launch the CS2 and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.